bitewe n'inzira barakwereka north evacuation aho bashobora gucikira mu majyaruguru biramutse bibaye ngombwa hakuno bafite kajugujugudo kwagera byadufata nk'iminota 3 kandi iyo minota 3 indege igomba kuba yashyushye ihita ihaguruka do ari gushyushya indege bana baba bapanze amafaranga baje kwishyuza ni menshi biliyoni y'idolari ayo mafaranga mu kinyarwanda ntago nzi ukuntu bayavuga ni triliyoni na miliyari nka 400 na miliyoni 660 dolari sirigeze ku gihumbi 460 ingahe
quicker. How long from the hotel? Got it down to
9.5 na ubwo rero biliyoni y'idolari igeze muri triliyoni y'amanyarwanda miliyari 400 na miliyoni 600 n'ibihumbi 100 gutyo 600 miliyoni 660 na zingahe.
Get it down to 8.5. That's not possible.
So bintu nago bishoboka mwana.
You're right. 6.5 is possible.
This is how we're going to do it. We'll take Rachel
from
the hotel. These have to be out of the shed and in the air in 3 minutes. You two pilot and take Rachel and me with you.
If this doesn't work, we go to the West Evac. That means back to the villa.
Aho ngaho rero kugira ngo tuhagere biraza kudusubiza kuri yanze n'ubundi turi gupangiramo ibintu byacu byose tukanyura muri tanirimo
onto the bikes
tukurira moto
so it's easier by foot
kugeraho turi bugere bitworoye kugenda n'amaguru.
There's an obstacle.
Ikibazo rero hari ikindi kibazo.
The obstacle is no one can follow us.
Nubwo twazamuka n'amaguru wenda ntibadukurikire.
The downside of the obstacle.
Ariko mu kumanuka byaza kuba ikibazo kubera ko hari ahantu harimo iki giharabu.
Fuck off.
Kirano basanze hari ahantu harimo igiharabuje niko babyitarya.
Coach, your problem?
Point A, the villa is 2.5 miles that way. Point B, the West Evac point is 7.5.
Fuck off.
Tumuka mu kinga.
I foresee a problem.
Hano